way to go, but I'm confident the Congress will deliver to my desk both the bipartisan physical infrastructure plan and the Build Back Better plan that I have proposed. The choice is this. The data is absolutely clear. Since the pandemic began, here's the simple truth. For a long time, this economy has worked great for those at the very top. Then we went to work and passed the American Rescue Plan back in March. And it worked. It's still working. For too many, it's harder and harder to pay the bills: food, gas, rent, healthcare. COVID, that's why I've made getting COVID under control and a whole series of steps I proposed. The data shows that the overwhelming majority of Americans agree with my proposal. There's no surprise. I proposed a requirement for COVID vaccines, and the governor of that state calls it, quote, a tyrannical type move. And our gas prices should be going down, but they haven't. Unlike the last administration, look, your fair share. I'm not out to punish anyone. I'm a capitalist.
Come on, man.